Got 3 minutes to spare? Today let's dive into some quick Excel hacks that'll make your calculations a breeze. Whether you're a student juggling assignments or just someone who loves efficiency, these tips will save you tons of time. First up, let's talk about the AutoSum function. Just select the range of cells you want to add, hit Alt plus X and boom. Instant sum. No more dragging formulas across columns. Next, we have the fill handle. Ever notice that tiny square at the bottom right of a cell? Drag it down or across to autofill numbers, dates, or even formulas. It's like magic. Now, for those who need to multiply or divide cells quickly, check this out. Type your number in a cell, copy it, then select the range you want to multiply or divide. Right-click, go to Paste Special, and choose Multiply or Divide. Click OK, and you're done. Let's move on to the IF function. This one's a lifesaver for conditional calculations. Need to know if a student passed or failed? Use IF like this. IF A170, pass, fail. Customize the numbers and text to fit your needs. Speaking of customization, ever tried conditional formatting? Highlight important data by setting rules. Select your cells, go to Home, then Conditional Formatting, and set your conditions. Whether it's grades above 90 or expenses below 50, this makes data pop. Alright, here's a quick one for those big data sets. Use pivot tables to summarize and analyze. Select your range, go to Insert, then Pivot Table. Drag and drop fields to get instant insights. No need to scroll through endless rows and columns. Finally, let's talk about the VLOOKUP function. This is perfect for finding data in large tables. Use it like this. Of lookup value, table, column, false. Replace the placeholders with your actual data, and you've got a powerful tool at your fingertips. There you have it. Quick and easy Excel hacks to supercharge your calculations. Give these a try, and you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more tips. Catch you in the next one.